Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will demonstrate whenever you are launching the or updating your Windows level, if you getting this error like update KB5101650 or KB5100998 not installing in Windows level. If you getting this error, I give some steps one by one follow to this problem. Deeply fix it, careful, and don't forget my subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's look at the solution. Then solution one, corrupted files delete in file explorer. So go to click on the file explorer, and here you can go to click on the local disk C. Then you can go to click on the Windows folder, double tap to open. Then scroll down, locate software distribution folder, double tap to open. Then select it all. Then right click. Just you can go to click the delete to delete that particular folders. If you did, then you come back. Then we can go to throw the next solution. The next solution, troubleshoot Windows update. So we need settings. So you can go to search the Windows update by using the search bar. Then below available find and fixing problem with Windows update. Just click on it. Then click on the next. It is the processing. So you will wait 5 minutes. If you accomplish the step, then you can go to check troubleshooting has completed. Here found the problems. Just you can go to check it. Then close to come to back. Then we can go to Mac restart your system. So you can go to click on the start menu and click on the power button and select the restart to restart your system. Then go to check Windows update if there is problem solver resolve or not. If this try to still experience this problem, then you can go to throw the next solution. The next solution command promote. So we need Windows search bar and type that cmd. Then right click on the command promote and select the run as administrator. Here these commands we can go to take in browser. So we need web browser. We can go to click to open the web browser and type Mr. Learning Way. Just click this visit. You can go to click on the Windows search bar and type that Windows level update. Then click on this first blog post. Then scroll down. These comments all one by one use. Copy to paste in command promote. Then if it is processing, it is successfully. Then you come to then take the next command. Then next command below. These commands are all stop the your command Windows updates. These commands are all restart the your Windows update. So one by one copy to paste in comment section. If you are all steps done, then you are away from command promote. So type that exit. Then we can go to throw the next solution. Delete temporary files. So we need Windows search bar and type that delete temporary files. Just click on this tool. Here available temporary files option, just you click on this arrow. Here select the delivery optimized and thumbnail, the temporary files and temporary internet files. Most important direct shortcuts options. If you all select, then hit the remove file. If you're done, then come to back in the settings. Then we can go to through the next solution. Services max, or if Windows update service. So I go to expand or explain how to enable the services. So we can go to the Windows search bar and type that services. We can click to open. Then scroll down. Find Windows update. Right click on the Windows update and select the properties. Then startup tab, just click on this arrow. Here you can go to choose automatic. Here if the service status is stopped, just start to change. If you did, then hit the apply and OK to save. Then away from the properties, again away from the services, and then we can go to through the next solution. The next solution, restart. So you can go to the start menu and click on the power button and select the restart to restart your system. Then we can go to check Windows update. So you can go to the Windows search bar and type that settings. We can click to open settings. Then here we can click on the Windows update. Here you can go to click on the reinstall or install button, click to update the latest version. Sometimes if this try to it does not work, then we can go to through the one more step, or go to the file explorer. Then you can go to click on the local disk C, Windows installing, hard disk select and right click. Then you can go to click on the properties. Here you can click on the tools tab. Then error checking here available, just click on this tool. So you can click on the check, then click on the scan drive right now. If this process done, then here it so the it's how your drive was successfully scanned. Just to hit the close to come to away from properties, then close the file explorer. After that you can go to click on the start menu and click on the power button and select the restart to restart your system. Then you can go to check Windows update, then your problem should be solved. And if you have any doubt, go to the comment section, let me know. I will help you, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.